Somali words that are also Italian, or Italian words that are Somali. Anyway, we're going to the colonizers, girl. We're going there. Borso. And Italian is borsa. Guno. I don't say guno in Somali for skirt, but in Italian is gona. Oh, gona! Ah! Gelato. In Italian is gelato. I knew that one. Catina. In Italian is catina. Chain. Ah! This one shocked me. Registine or regiabeto in Somali is also reggiastino and reggiabeto in Italian. That's bra. Forno. Forno. It's literally the same word. Occhialet. Occhiali. Glasses. Armacio. Armadio. Wardrobe. Sugo. Sugo. Sauce. Forgetto. Forgetta. Bye for part 2.